Well, we are on a very unique journey right now, and we have with us the biggest superstar of this country, Shah Rukh Khan, and we have with us Ritesh Sidhwani and Rahul Dolakia. After he's just, I think, finally relieved now after the movie is releasing. So, pleasure having you guys on board now, first of all. And how has been the journey so far? We witnessed a total hangama at Vapi station. Were you anticipating something like this?
No, fantastic, यार. I think the love of people is always there. और हमारा ऐसा कभी देश भ्रमण करने का मौका नहीं रखता. हम नॉर्मली शूटिंग पे जाते हैं, थोड़ा प्रोटेक्टेड सा एटमॉस्फेयर होता है. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल एवरीवन, प्लीज बी सेफ ऑन द रेलवे ट्रैक्स, डोंट रन आफ्टर द ट्रेन, बट आई एम हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ फन. थैंक यू वापी, एंड सी यू सून इन सूरत. पता नहीं तुम तब तक अपलोड करोगे या नहीं, बट जहाँ पे भी नेक्स्ट वाली जगह पर मैं मिलता रहूंगा. लेकिन आई एम हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन, अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. आई थिंक आई एम वेटिंग फॉर अर्ली डिनर and then put some music and dance.
So, in fact, I just met like a 2-year-old kid. He was there in the other compartment, and his mother was absolutely ecstatic that he's like a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan, and he has given like a video message as well. So, how will you be interacting with people as well on the train?
Yeah, inshallah. यार, I've been meeting people when I walked in. तो काफी लोगों से मैं मिल चुका हूँ, और जब तक दिल्ली पहुंचेंगे और जितने लोग साथ में होंगे सबसे मिलता रहूंगा, जितनों से मिल सकूंगा. और रात में जगह जगह के सबको मिलूंगा रात के 3 बजे जब सो रहे होंगे. But yes, I would love to meet everyone. Yeah, the whole idea of this train journey is that I can get to meet people who don't get to meet me or see me, because I've been loved across India and everywhere so much. तो जो भी मौका मिलता है, जैसे हमारी टीम ने डिसाइड किया और सजेस्ट किया, तो मैंने कहा ट्रेन के साथ मेरा बहुत पुराना नाता है. सो आई नीड टू बी ऑन अ ट्रेन एंड गो टू दिल्ली. इवन रईस में भी एक छोटा सा सीक्वेंस है, उसकी लाइफ का टर्निंग पॉइंट है ट्रेन में. सो इट्स रियली नाइस यार. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी बीइंग ऑन अ ट्रेन. आई फाइंड इट वेरी रोमांटिक, आई फाइंड इट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, एंड देन also perhaps one of the last few days when the team can be all together.
What's the whole experience of Valsad right now?
Fantastic, yeah. Only thing is, when I give my hand out, they try to take my hand away. So please leave my hands intact. I needed to put my arms out in the next film. And Raiz, I haven't done it. Right. But for romantic films, my hands are necessary. So मैं जब ट्रेन से हाथ आपको दूं तो प्लीज घर मत ले जाइए उसको.
Okay, and how's your feeling? Like finally, after so much of, in fact, hard work, and finally the movie is releasing. Excited about it?
Yeah, of course. We're looking forward. All of us have been with it for the last few years, right. And now we're just 2 or 3 days away from the release. So, I mean, the kind of eagerness, excitement to see all the hard work which will be out there now for people to come in. And I mean, I think it'll be good. It's a good film. All of us have put in a lot of hard work, effort, and hopefully it should pay off.
Correct. Okay, and Gujarat, that is your, in fact, home state, and you're passing through it right now in this train journey. How's your feeling like?
Feeling great, seeing all this crowd and all the Gujaratis over here. The writers are also here with us, and Harith and Vashi both are here, and it's exciting. From Gujarat,
both of them.
Both from Ahmedabad. One of them has got a town here also, Navsari. But it's fun, it's good, exciting, and seeing the love for him and Raiz both, it's superb. I
was telling Ritesh and Rahulji a short while back that I just met a TC in the train, and apparently 4 TCs they're having a cake for you for your 25 years in movies. So something like they're not too sure whether you'll be like approachable for in terms of just cutting the cake, but something like this does it like really just in fact endear to you, because this is like a common man and actually they're actually connecting to you.
Actually, a very big thing is made out of this common man thing here. I am a common man myself. Just because I act in films and people see me larger than life, doesn't make me uncommon at all. It makes me a person who's part of everybody in this country, men, women, children alike. 25 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, तो कहीं ना कहीं पे लोगों के दिलों में बसा हुआ हूँ, और जितना प्यार वो करते हैं उतना ही प्यार मैं भी करता हूँ. और जब मुझे मौका मिलता है तो इट्स नेवर गोइंग टू बी दैट समबडी वांट्स टू कट अ केक फॉर मी एंड आई वोंट कट इट. हो सकता है पूरा ना खाऊं क्योंकि मेरा 6 पैक ऐप रहना चाहिए, बट आई वुड लव टू डू इट. आई हैव मेट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, और जैसा मैंने कहा कि बिफोर वी गेट ऑफ द ट्रेन जस्ट नाउ आई मेट सम पेरेंट्स की हमारे बच्चे जो हैं, तो मैंने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया थोड़ी देर तक जगा के रखना, जब लंबा सफर आएगा और हम रुकेंगे नहीं तो सबसे जाके आई विल मीट एवरीवन. And for me, it is one of the most beautiful things, more than the film also, to meet all the people who love my work and the films. और मुझे यही उम्मीद है कि जितना प्यार अभी तक दिया मैं उनको वापस लौटा सकूं. So it's going to be really nice. We'll cut some cake and have some chai with them. I want to have a chai actually. I want to get off and have some chai. Chai garam, chai garam, chai garam, chai garam. I want to.
After how many years? After how many years have you been just traveling like a night journey? It has its own charm.
This must have been after a long time here. I think the last again was somewhere in Surat or something. I had come for a show with Jui. तो हम ट्रेन में वापस गए थे क्योंकि हमें कहीं हैदराबाद पहुंचना था शूटिंग के लिए. और उसके बाद मुझे लगता नहीं है, मैं शायद डॉन के एक प्रमोशन के लिए हम एक कोला थी उनके साथ मैच देखने गए थे जयपुर के अंदर. सो दैट मस्ट हैव बीन द लास्ट वन लाइक दिस. पर्सनली आई हैवंट ट्रैवल फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. लंदन वगैरह में थोड़ा ट्रैवल करता हूँ मैं बच्चों के स्कूल जाने के लिए. मुझे ट्रेन्स बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. आई फाइंड इट the most romantic moment.
Okay, and tremendous excitement for the film, especially amongst your fans. They're just celebrating it. They're just posting all these pictures of like this cinema hall is full right now. This cinema hall is full, and that too like various parts of the country, even Japan. You've been tweeting it as well. This entire combination, this entire association that you have with your fans all across the world. How do you react to that? Something like that.
It is important, yeah. Matlab, most of the people who love me so much, I don't call them fans. I call them people who love me, and मैं उन्हें बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. और मेरा the only way I can express my love to them, you know, interacting like this, or maybe meeting people on a train, which is even closer, is through the films I do. And you know, they wait for my films, and they expect great things from my films. तो उम्मीद यही है कि between Rahul, myself, everybody, the writers, everybody in Raees we will all live up to their expectations. And I really want them to go out there and, you know, see the film first day, first show, second day, second show, whenever they have time. I can never force them to do it. But when they are writing to me, they are trying to actually convey their love. We are there. And, you know, all the fan clubs in Kolkata, in Ahmedabad, in Bangalore, in Punjab, so many people are, you know, rushing around and going and buying the tickets. I know it is expensive. I know it is difficult. Some of them have wrote to me that they've stood in queues for 5-6 hours to get 4 tickets. मेरे हाथ में होता तो मैं चारों तरफ फैला देता कि वो आराम से देख सकें. But please keep on going there, watching, try and watch the film, and I hope I'm saying enough thank you in the film for the love you've given.
What are you doing on 25th? Will you be just going to the cinema halls as well and meeting people?
इंशाल्लाह यार, अगर फिल्म लोगों को पसंद आई तो मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा. मैं चारों तरफ जाऊंगा सबको थैंक यू कहने के लिए. हमने इस बार सिटी टूर किए नहीं है, इसलिए ट्रेन का टूर कर रहे हैं. लेकिन अगर मुझे मौका मिलेगा तो मेरे 4-5 दिन ऑफ है. और the only way I can enjoy the release of my film is meeting the people who are seeing the film. So I would love to do it. On 25th, I think we'll just about manage to get back to Mumbai, see it with cast, crew, family. वो हो जाए और उसके बाद जो है अगले दिन से 26 जनवरी, हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे टू एवरीबडी. तो जब वक्त मिलेगा उसके बाद जाके मैं देश भर में फिल्म को अपने दोस्तों के साथ देखने की कोशिश करूंगा. मैं दुनिया भर बोलता लेकिन इतना वक्त नहीं मिलेगा. I'd love to, यार. I haven't visited the cities, but let's see how it all pans out. Logistics and work. 26 जनवरी तो हमारी सबकी छुट्टी है देश की, तो सब आराम से घर में बैठेंगे. आई थिंक उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह मौका लगेगा तो I'll try and go all over the country.
Thank you very much, and I hope that you have wonderful time for the remaining part of the journey, and all the best for the release. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.